Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We're here looking at Hope and her puppies. They were born on Mother's Day, May 8th. Hey, Hopi. Hope's the mother. Levi's the father. They're crawling. They should be walking probably next week sometime. You can watch our live feed on Twitch, TWITCH. Download the app and start following us. And also watch us on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So they're looking good. Chocolate and silver. Now, Hope is chocolate and Levi's chocolate, but they both have a silver gene. That's how come we have chocolate and silver. So this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, signing off, and God bless.